I just finished a mold inspection for a couple in Lehi, Utah, and their response was, wow. They couldn't believe what they learned. They couldn't believe how they were treated. They said, you didn't try to scare us into anything. You didn't try to twist our arm that we needed to buy something. It was a thorough investigation report and education. And they said, I guess that's what you get for a paid mold inspection from a professional versus something for free. Someone that might offer a free mold inspection. And I agreed with them, of course, and said thank you and glad that we can offer a valuable service. And they knew where the mold was in their home and what led to it, how to prevent future growth in the future, and what the removal should look like and consist of.